Alright people, gather round. Meet Jamie, 25, master of instant ramen and overdraft fees. Rent's due, bank account's empty, and all Jamie has is $17.32 and a half-eaten burrito. Jamie's tried budgeting apps, but let's be real. Spreadsheets are about as fun as watching paint dry. So here they are, staring at their funds, hoping for a miracle. Spoiler, the landlord still doesn't accept burritos as payment. Jamie needs a financial miracle fast. But late-night doom scrolling is about to change everything. Those budgeting apps? They promise financial freedom, a clear path to savings, gone in a week, a fleeting attempt at fiscal responsibility. Jamie's idea of organization is color-coding socks. Barely. A valiant effort, but hardly a system. Tracking every expense, too much work. The sheer volume of data becomes overwhelming. Then came the couponing phase. Inspired by TV, Jamie ends up with a cart full of discounted mayo and a lifetime supply of toothpaste. Couponing is a full-time job and Jamie's already got one. It's a second job that doesn't pay. Deleting unused apps seems smart, but saying goodbye to food delivery apps? Impossible. Some things are just too good to give up. Within a week, half were back on Jamie's phone. The siren song of convenience is hard to resist. Back to the burrito, back to the empty account. The cycle continues. But then, a glimmer of hope appears on Jamie's TikTok feed. A new path to financial salvation. TikTok, the digital playground where trends are born, and viral sensations take flight. It's a place where anyone can become an overnight star, and where information, both good and bad, spreads like wildfire. It's the home of dance crazes, and let's be honest, often questionable financial advice. You know, the kind that makes you raise an eyebrow. Jamie's skeptical, naturally. But then, a chipper creator raves, full of energy and enthusiasm. She's talking about a money-saving app, something that could potentially change the game. An app that finds cashback, even from those old, crumpled receipts you've been hoarding. Jamie almost scrolls past, dismissing it as another internet fad. But curiosity wins out in the end. What's there to lose, really? Download. The comments section is a mixed bag, a real roller coaster of opinions. Some scream scam, while others boast, I made hundreds. Jamie's hooked, the potential is too tempting to ignore. Time to try the weirdest money-saving apps out there, the ones you wouldn't believe exist. A 30-day challenge begins. Can these apps actually make a difference? Apps that round up your spare change, pay you to walk, rewarding your steps with cold, hard cash. There are even apps that analyze your spending habits based on your astrological sign. This app spree, this dive into the unknown, is about to drastically change Jamie's financial life for better or for worse. The first few days of any new challenge can be overwhelming, and Jamie's app adventure was no exception. They are a blur, a whirlwind of downloads, permissions, and endless scrolling. A constant stream of scanning receipts, each one promising a tiny reward. And the slightly nerve-wracking process of linking accounts. It's a leap of faith, trusting these apps with your financial information. Some apps are duds, failing to deliver on their promises. But then, small wins emerge, little glimmers of hope that make the whole experiment worthwhile. That receipt app, Jamie scores $2.50. Not a fortune, but a tangible reward for minimal effort. All from a yogurt promo. Who knew yogurt could be so financially rewarding? A subscription tracker, a digital bloodhound sniffing out forgotten expenses, uncovers a forgotten gym membership, a relic from a more athletic past. Canceling it, a simple tap that unlocks a surprising amount of savings, frees up $30 a month. That's a significant chunk of change. Who needs a gym anyway, when you're chasing the ice cream truck, exercise and a sweet treat, all in one. Small wins, seemingly insignificant on their own, start adding up, creating a snowball effect of savings. The walking app, $5 extra a week, just for doing what you already do. The investing app, Jamie's spare change, those forgotten pennies and dimes, grows into a $50 mini portfolio, a tiny seed of wealth planted and nurtured by technology. By day 30, Jamie's dodged overdraft fees, those annoying penalties that drain your account, and saved over $600. A real tangible sum of money, $600, a testament to the power of small changes. Just by using weird apps that gamify saving, automate investing, and reward everyday activities. Jamie realizes saving isn't about deprivation. It's not about sacrificing everything you enjoy. It's about working smarter, leveraging technology to achieve your financial goals. Technology is the secret weapon, the ultimate tool for building a better financial future. So, ditch the spreadsheets, those dusty relics of a bygone era. And embrace the weirdness, the quirky and unconventional apps that make saving fun. Join the money-saving app revolution. A movement towards financial empowerment, one app at a time. If Jamie can do it, anyone can. The power to save is in your hands, or rather, in your smartphone. May your bank accounts be ever in your favor, and may your adventure be filled with unexpected savings and delightful discoveries.